So again, this idea of being able to put sound anywhere you want to is really starting to catch on. We've got the military had just deployed some of these into Iraq where you can put fake troop movements a quarter of a mile away on a hillside. Or you can whisper in the ear of a supposed terrorist some biblical verse. I'm serious.
Look out for Charlie.
All right, we are going to do something a little bit different today. We're actually going to do an audio test for every viewer, listener of this channel to tell everybody what you hear in a specific audio wave. And I'm also going to talk a little about pulsed audio and BPMs so that people can learn a little bit about that. So let's get into BPMs and pulsed audio. I decided to use this. This is a very, very old free drum program. When I tell people, and I've told people for many years, that the syllables in pulsed audio are set up like a drum beat, they are all to a BPM. So you could have audio that you are picking up in a recording, right? And it can be talking, right? What people refer to as EVP. And this audio will all be, let's say, 92 BPM. All right? And each syllable is a pulse. Pop, 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 pop. Now we're going to get back to this, but let me show you formants. A formant is, in the most basic term, it's like a frequency band of a voice. And there are many. So there are different formants to each voice. And that is why it's so hard to pick up. Because in many cases, you don't have all the formants. You have one or two or maybe three. And they're, buried in noise, hard to hear. But formants are very, very important. And you're going to learn why sometimes it's hard to understand certain audio. So we're going to kind of go backwards here. I made this audio. What I did was I said something, and then I took that sentence that I said, and I chopped each syllable up into a different file. And then I took those files and I added them to the drum machine in a pattern that was at a BPM. So you're going to hear what a human voice sounds like when you turn it into pulsed audio. So let's hear just one frequency band of that voice. Let's check it out. Very hard to understand, right? Because you're not getting all the frequencies. Listen again. So let's hear what is going on a little cleaner, with more of the frequencies from the original in it. Now listen to that. That is at a beat, a specific BPM, and it is saying something to you. And I created it so that I know that it's saying something. And it's not very serious, but it's saying something. And what it is saying is a very important message, like the Ovaltine message. Now, let's go back to the old drum program that I'm showing you here. It's at 125 BPM. Here is one syllable, here in the beginning. Here is the second syllable. Here is the third syllable. Here is the fourth syllable, and here is the fifth syllable. What does it say? Let's play it.
Steal his potato. Steal his potato. Steal his potato.
It says steal his potato. So what I did was I just took steal his potato when I set it into a mic, and I chopped it into syllables. And I did this to show you how weird this pulsed audio can sound when it's picked up by a microphone. Because, as we've said in the past, a lot of this audio works much better in water, and the human body is made of water, right? So when this type of audio is in the air and a microphone picks it up, it's not going to sound the same way that one of these voice hearers are hearing it. So let's just play Steal.
Steal. Steal.
At 120
Steal.
BPM.
Steal.
Now here's his.
Steal. 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 Steal his
That's steal his
steal
Poe.
his steal his
Here comes Tay.
steal his steal his tape steal his tape steal his tape steal his tape go
There's
steal
Toe.
his tape go steal his tape go.
Each one of those is a pulse. Each syllable is a pulse, the way this operates. And now you can hear and understand why this audio sounds so weird when it's picked up. It doesn't have like quite a human inflection. It's almost robotic, or, you know, like an old voice modulator or voice synthesizer, right?
Steal his tape go steal his tape go.
I should have done this a long time ago, because it makes it very, very easy for people to understand why and how this audio is picked up this way. I've said it for years, but I didn't show exactly how this works. So let's check out something that I put together the same way, but I'm not going to tell you what it says. Now let's start with some pseudo formants of the line so that people can hear it. Here is one formant of the audio here. It's just a frequency band, but it's like a pseudo formant. Now, if you heard that, you'd say, no way, there's no way that's a voice. It's just a sound. You people are crazy. It's a voice. That's one frequency band of a voice. Now, here's another formant area of the same voice saying the same thing. And this is why we get people that show up and say, I don't hear anything. I can't hear that. It's not a voice. Well, you're just not hearing right. You know, as I said in a comment earlier on the last video, some people just have bad ears. You can tune bad ears. You're not stuck with bad ears forever. But some people just have really bad ears. Here's another formant. And that sounds the most like a voice out of the three that we've heard so far. Now, here's another one. And I put this together the same way as Steal His Potato. All right, so let's listen to them all together. And then it really starts to sound like a voice. This shows people that when you are picking up a couple formants, it may trip people up and people may not think it's a voice, but it is a voice. Let's mute two of them and just play two. Here's three. Let's mute the low one and bring in the mid-range. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to play you a cleaner version of this, and everybody in the comments, try to guess what I'm saying. Because if I had put out a video that said, right here, this line says, steal his potato, everybody would have, you know, commented, it doesn't sound like that to me. I'm not hearing what you're hearing.
Steal his potato, steal his potato, steal his potato.
But it does say, steal his potato, as we can see here.
Steal his potato, steal his potato.
So there's a lot of trickery to this, and that's why we're going to do this test. So let's check it out. So what I'm going to do is simply play this pulsed audio creation that I made. You are going to state what you're hearing, and then in the next video, I'm going to show you what it actually says and what I actually did with it. And it's a good way to show people how people's ears work and how this audio works. So here's the audio. It's very simple. I created it the exact same way that I created the Steal His Potato audio. It's 150 BPM, and the syllables are broken up into chunks. What you're going to do is tell me what you hear. I'll play it once, I'll play it again, and then I will loop it.
I'm here now. I'm here now. I'm here now. I'm here now. I'm here now.
Okay, now I'm going to loop it.
I'm here now. 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 I'm here now.
So that's what it says. If you need to go back, listen to it over and over. Tell me what you hear. And then in the next video, we're going to go over the actual audio. And it's going to open your eyes as to what people think they hear and what audio is actually saying. And that is it for now. Look out for Charlie.